Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're opening a LOL Surprise All-Star Sports Movies. And I got this when I was playing my game at Target. So if you want to go look at that right now and then go back to here, you can. So it's time to start opening. It says, pull from here like all LOLs. Let's pull. Ooh, a game ball. Ooh, looks like it's gonna be a white ball. Ooh, something on that. Ooh, so we have like a secret note. It says play ball. Ooh, it looks like a little movie ticket. And you see this, you peel it down again. The arrows out. Well, we got it. Ooh, pull it down like a zipper. And then, ooh, we have this cute white little LOL. Well, boy, it says LOL surprise. So should we knock it or should we open it? It's more fun to open it. Whoa! So cute. Ooh, so let's see the collector's guide. Let's see who we can get. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, sports. Guys, so I need to tell you something. So, I think I already have her. But now let's see. So we have lots of different kinds we can get. And they look so pretty. So I'm hoping to get one of these. So I'm hoping to get the cheerleader or this one, skater or hops. Or a swimmer or her. And kind of that's it. I'm really hoping to get a rare one if they have rare ones. Oh, and I'm very hoping to get this one either because it glows. And it has a trophy on there. I don't know why, but let's start opening the surprises so we can guess who it is. So let's open this one that has MVP. Oops, I spoiled the surprise. So we have her. She can kick her knee. Like to kick her knee. And let's see what else let's put that down. So now let's open up this one. Ooh, cute little golden shoes for her. And it says touchdown right here. I wonder why. Probably she wins. Let's see what's inside of here. Look at this little trophy. So cute. And now let's see what's in here. Tire. Now we have, ooh, look at this little shirt and dress. So cute. So cute. It's the beautifulest clothes I've ever seen for a doll. Ooh, is this a pacifier? What? I did not know why sports people need to come with a pacifier, but okay. Have the LOL doll though. Now we have this black and golden cup. So cute. I never seen someone so black and golden. Oh, and I never seen white LOL ball before. Always different bright colors. Ooh, it looks like it's time to open up. Let's see. Ready, set, red. Here she is! Oh my god! So cute! Oh, if you press this, Then her legs start moving. It's super cute though. If you press this, her legs start moving. It's so cute. Oh my god, she has pink. Like she has pink glittery hair. Oh my god. She's so cute. Now I think it's time to put on her clothes. Now it's time to put on her shirt. So cute. Ooh, so cute. This doll is so pretty. Ooh, so cute. Let's see how she looks. Ooh. Now let's put on her shoes and see how she kicks with her shoes on. See what does it. We got one of them all. Ooh, and let's see her kick. Ooh, is it cute? Shouldn't she kick with her shoes on? Ooh, it doesn't look like I see a kick. But there's the kicks. So cute. Now let's put on her pacifier. Ew. She's a baby though, so just see how she looks with it on. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. It's not that much how I pictured it. But it's very silly, so let's see her holding her little trophy. Yeah. This is her game, and she wins, and this is her time to shine. Ooh, so cute. Look like she wins. Yeah, win. And here's her water bottle. Ready to see her kick? Ooh, she's kicking. I hope you like this, but now let's see what her name is. Her name's Touchdown. Oh my god, her name's Touchdown. You Touchdown. Cute. So cute. Let's see her. So cute. Well, they don't have anywhere to stand on. Not that like standable because of her legs kick. Ooh, look at her stand. It's very hard to make her stand, so let's see if she can stand again. So you can see. She tried to stand. So she looks like she's not supposed to stand. But since her name's Touchdown, I'm just gonna go with it. And let's see her kick again. By putting on her pacifier. Oh, so cute. So just put the pacifier off for a little bit. And I'm still trying to hold the trophy. Ooh, so cute. Okay, so I hope you like this video of me opening up my LOL Prize All-Star Short Sports Touchdown. It's very funny. So I hope you like me opening this up. While you sign up, she's just going to be kicking. So I hope you like this video. Make sure a thumbs up and a subscribe. So she's going to be kicking while you guys. It's very funny. I can't take it.